What's been very interesting for me, having visited Saudi a few times now, is an incredible groundswell of creativity and excitement. There is a creativity here that's not been tapped, and I think the opportunity now to unleash it through art, music and culture is going to be fascinating.
I believe that the opportunities that are being offered here in Ithra are really great for the youth in Saudi Arabia, especially that they're bringing global knowledge inside the Eastern province.
Really opening up ideas around creativity and how that can actually influence the future generation.